Hey there guys, welcome back to another ration review, and today we have a vintage can of sausage patties made by Mountain House. And I'm sure most of you have heard of Mountain House. They arguably make the best freeze-dried food out there. So I'm not sure how old this can is. I believe it's sometime early 90s. There is some type of date code on the can, and I believe it says 1993. But I could be completely wrong. So if you work for Mountain House and you know exactly how old this is, please let me know, leave me a comment, or just get in contact with me, and yeah, that would be great. But yeah, let's get a close look at it, and of course we'll prepare it and try it out. So let's get started. All right, let's get a close look at it. All right, there we have the vintage Mountain House logo. No cooking required. This is a freeze-dried sausage patties with cornmeal added, deep fried in vegetable oil. Very nice. And there we have a list of the ingredients. We have pork, cornmeal, salt, spices, sugar, monosodium glutamate, deep fried in partially hydrogenated soybean oil. That sounds delicious. Do not open until ready to use. This package is sold by weight, not volume, yada yada. We have a net weight of 27 ounces or 1 pound, 11 ounces or 765 grams. And this was manufactured by Oregon Freeze-Dried Foods in Albany, Oregon. Very nice. All right, so this can was packed in a nitrogen atmosphere. You know, you have to have that. And we have the serving instructions. So simply reconstitute entire can, just cover it in boiling water and just wait 3 to 5 minutes. It's very straight to the point, very simple. And it's the top. Here we have the bottom, and there's our only numbers. We have K193 and I believe it's 314. So like I said, I'm not sure how old this is. My best guess would be 1993, but I could be entirely wrong. This could be, you know, very new or very old, who knows? But yeah, we'll just give it a try and yeah, hope for the best. So let's get it opened up. All right, let's open it up and we'll use our F.R.E.D. It's very similar to a P38. Let's see if we hear a hiss. Yeah, that was a nice hiss. All right. All right, let's check out the sausage patties. Oh yeah, check that out. And there you have the patties, and you get a lot of food, a lot of patties. That white stuff appears to be fat. I don't see any traces of mold or anything that looks suspicious. So it looks like we're good to go. Let's take one out. And yeah, it is very soft, very light. All right, so we'll get some boiling water and reconstitute them, get them back to their original state, and yeah, try them out. Hopefully we won't get sick and die, but yeah, it should be perfectly fine. No bad smells, nothing seems off. So yeah. All right, so we have some water. Let's boil it. So our water is boiling, so I guess we can add the patties. All right, we'll just throw them in there one by one. Let's see how many we can fit in there. It's mostly crumbs and small pieces. I guess we can turn the heat off. And let's just keep throwing them in there. Get the rest in there. And then we have a whole pot of sausage patties. This is what the bottom of the can looks like. It's very clean. Get a little bit closer. Yeah, that's actually smelling pretty good. All right, so I guess we'll cover it and let it sit for about 5 minutes and we'll get back to it. So it's been a few minutes. I already drank the water, so we're ready to eat. And there we have the patties. Looks more like ground beef. Let's see if we can find some intact. There we have one. Here we have a piece. This one's mostly intact. Not gonna lie, this stuff smells really good. Even though it's ancient and could potentially make me sick, but I'm willing to take that risk for you guys. And yeah, it does have that pork smell to it. It smells like pork sausage. All right, so we got a few pieces. Of course, I'm not gonna eat all of this. I'm just going to try it just to see what it tastes like. Yeah, let's grab this piece. And then we have the sausage patty. It does look really good. Looks very fresh. Yeah, let's give it a try. Yeah, that's actually spot on. It tastes just like a sausage patty. It's got that sweetness like you would expect. It's a little bit on the mild side, not as salty as most sausage. But yeah, it's actually pretty tasty, pretty good. Would I eat this whole thing? Probably not. Yeah, let's go in for another piece. Why not? Yeah, we might as well go all out. Guns blazing. There you have another piece. Here, down the hatch. Yeah, that definitely has a smoky flavor to it as well. Some type of maple flavor. It's actually quite nice. Yeah, not bad for what it is. All right, guys, this was the Mountain House sausage patties from, I don't know, 1993, maybe older, maybe newer. Yeah, I had a lot of fun with this one. I hope you guys did as well. And if you did, hit that thumbs up. If you like this type of stuff, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit that little bell notification button as well. But yeah, I have plenty of cans of this old freeze-dried stuff that I want to get through and show you guys. So if you like that sort of thing, stay tuned. And to all of you that support my channel and watch me all the time, thanks a lot. I really appreciate that. And a huge thanks to all my patrons. If you want to become a patron, the link is down in the description box. Just $1 a month helps out a lot, helps buy more equipment, helps buy more rations and things like that. Yeah, if you guys want to support the channel, that would be greatly appreciated. And as always, thank you guys for watching. See you soon.